SnowOFF Extra Large Windshield Snow Ice Cover. The original and best Snow Ice Windshield Snow Cover. Don't waste money on cheap covers that let you down. Buy quality that lasts. Handmade with premium materials, easy to fit, 2 sizes fit all vehicles, medium for cars, extra large for SUVs, trucks, vans, RVs. You deserve the best. Don't settle for less. Will not blow off and easy to install. Custom-made windproof webbing straps easily attach to your wheels for secure fit. Cheap elastic straps will quickly stretch and break. No paint scratching. Hood magnets. Plus, SnowOFF has additional anti-theft internal suction cups plus side wings for a smooth fit every time. Less chance of frost and ice buildup under the cover. SnowOFF gives you a custom fit every time, and our original patented design will stay in place. Extra long hood skirt covers car wipers and sprayers. No more defrosting. Exclusive patented SHAPEFITS any vehicle. Best waterproof exterior automobile protection for you in bad weather. Easy removal and easily folded back into handy storage bag. Don't settle for inferior cheap windshield cover that will not last. Invest in quality. Handmade from best quality materials, durable water-resistant fabric guaranteed for long life plus handy zip storage bag. Keep in all autos and recreation vehicles as usable outdoors picnic sheet, tent sleeping pad, baby crawling mat or pet car seat cover. Great gift idea. Bonus gifts, microfiber demisting cleaning cloth plus emergency survival blanket, handy car accessories. Complete the set with the SnowOFF car side mirror snow covers. All those cheap windshield cover copies have forgotten about your side mirrors. We have got you covered. Wave to your neighbors, left scraping with a snow shovel or snow brush as you drive away with an easy clean windshield. Snow cover, fold off, shake off, drive off. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.